1. Which of the following best describes Reiki healing? A. An energy healing practice, channeling universal life force energy. B. A form of massage therapy using muscle manipulation. C. A meditation technique using visualization only. D. A form of herbal medicine. 2. Who is considered the founder of the modern Reiki system? A. Mikao Usui. B. Morihei Ueshiba. C. Paramahansa Yogananda. D. Chogyam Trungpa. 3. In Reiki, the word Rei is most accurately translated as A. Universal or spiritual. B. Energy or power. C. Healing or therapy. D. Physical or body. 4. The word ki in Reiki refers to A. Physical strength. B. Universal life force energy. C. Breath control. D. Emotional stability. 5. Which of the following is a core principle of Reiki practice? A. Just for today, do not worry. B. Eat only plant-based foods. C. Practice daily yoga. D. Meditate before sunrise. 6. How is Reiki energy typically transmitted from practitioner to client? A. Through hand placements over or on the body. By ingesting herbal remedies. C. Through chanting mantras aloud. D. By applying pressure to reflex points. 7. Which of the following is not a Reiki principle? Just for today, be grateful. B. Just for today, do not anger. C. Just for today, seek wealth. D. Just for today, be kind to others. 8. What is the primary purpose of attunement in Reiki training? A. To connect the student to Reiki energy flow. B. To provide dietary guidelines for healing. C. To teach advanced anatomy. D. To learn traditional herbal remedies. 9. Reiki practitioners often describe themselves as A. Channels for universal life force energy. B. Healers who give their own energy. C. Doctors of energy medicine. D. Masters of physical touch therapy. 10. Which chakra is most associated with intuition and spiritual awareness in Reiki practice? A. Root chakra. B. Sacral chakra. C. Third eye chakra. D. Solar plexus chakra. 11. What is the first degree of Reiki training primarily focused on? A. Self-healing and basic hand positions. B. Learning to heal others using advanced symbols. C. Distant healing across time and space. D. Advanced chakra balancing. 12. Which Reiki symbol is often associated with physical healing and empowerment? A. Choku-rei. B. Honsha-ze shonen. C. Daikomyo. D. Seihei-ki. 13. Which Reiki symbol is commonly used for emotional and mental healing? A. Seihei-ki. B. Daikomyo. C. Honsha-ze shonen. D. Choku-rei. 14. The symbol Honsha-ze shonen is primarily used for A. Healing across distance and time. B. Grounding energy into the earth. C. Opening the third eye chakra. D. Strengthening the aura. 15. The Reiki master symbol, Daikomyo, is associated with A. Empowerment and spiritual enlightenment. B. Physical healing only. C. Breathing techniques. D. Herbal wisdom. 16. Reiki practitioners believe illness may result from A. Energy blockages in the body. B. A lack of exercise. C. Poor diet alone. D. Improper sleeping positions. 17. What is the role of hand placement in Reiki? It channels energy to specific areas of need. B. It allows the practitioner to manipulate muscles. C. It applies pressure to energy meridians. D. It serves only as a ritual gesture. 18. Reiki differs from conventional massage because A. It is non-invasive and focuses on energy rather than muscles. It uses stronger physical touch. C. It requires oils and lotions for energy flow. D. It focuses on acupressure points. 19. Which of the following is true about distant Reiki healing? It uses the Han Sha Ze Shou Nen symbol to connect across space. E. It cannot be performed without physical touch. C. It requires herbal supplements. D. It is less effective than in-person healing. 20. Which principle of Reiki emphasizes personal gratitude? A. Just for today, do not worry. B. Just for today, be grateful. C. Just for today, do not anger. D. Just for today, work hard. 21. Reiki energy is often described as A. Universal life energy flowing through all beings. B. The personal energy of the healer. C. A vibration limited only to the hands. D. Physical heat created by body temperature. 22. Which hand position is typically used first in a standard Reiki session? A. Hands over the crown of the head. B. Hands on the feet. C. Hands on the lower abdomen. D. Hands over the heart. 23. Which Reiki symbol is commonly called the power symbol? A. Choku Rei. B. Seihiki. C. Dai Komyo. D. Honshaze Shonen. 24. Reiki healing sessions may benefit recipients by A. Promoting relaxation and reducing stress. B. Replacing medical treatment completely. C. Eliminating the need for food supplements. D. Preventing all illnesses permanently. 25. Reiki is best categorized as which type of practice? A. Energy healing modality. B. Herbal medicine system. C. Reflexology method. D. Physical therapy technique. 26. What is the main ethical guideline for Reiki practitioners? A. Always seek client consent before treatment. B. Never practice without oils. C. Prescribe dietary supplements. D. Charge a fixed fee for every client. 27. Which Reiki level introduces the student to symbols for healing? A. Reiki 2. B. Reiki 1. C. Reiki Master. D. Reiki Teacher. 28. The flow of Reiki energy is said to be directed by A. The recipient's higher self and needs. B. The practitioner's willpower. C. The exact hand pressure applied. D. The alignment of the practitioner's posture. 29. Reiki practice is often complemented by A. Meditation and mindfulness. B. Chemical medication. C. Weightlifting exercises. D. Intensive massage therapy. 30. In Reiki philosophy, what is the aura? A. The electromagnetic energy field surrounding the body. B. The skeletal system. C. The digestive tract. D. The respiratory pathway. 31. Which of the following best describes Reiki's approach to healing? It addresses the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. B. It treats only the physical body. C. It replaces all forms of medical care. D. It focuses only on emotional well-being. 32. Which chakra is located at the base of the spine and associated with grounding in Reiki practice? A. Root chakra. B. Heart chakra. C. Crown chakra. D. Throat chakra. 33. What is the typical duration of a standard Reiki session? A. 30 to 60 minutes. B. 10 to 15 minutes. C. 2 to 3 hours. D. 5 minutes only. 34. Reiki is often described as A. A complementary therapy that can work alongside conventional medicine. B. A belief system requiring strict religious practice. C. A substitute for professional medical treatment. D. A method requiring pharmaceutical drugs. 35. Which Reiki symbol is most associated with spiritual transformation and enlightenment? A. Daikomyo. B. Seiheki. C. Choku-rei. D. Hansha Zeishonen. 36. Which of the following is considered an ethical responsibility of Reiki practitioners? A. Respecting client confidentiality and consent. B. Diagnosing illnesses before treatment. C. Guaranteeing cures for chronic illness. D. Prescribing medication after sessions. 37. What is a common reported sensation experienced by clients during Reiki sessions? A. Sensations of warmth, tingling, or deep relaxation. B. Feeling nothing at all. Sharp physical pain. D. Coldness and discomfort. 38. Reiki's effectiveness is believed to depend on A. The openness and receptivity of the recipient. E. The practitioner's ego and personal energy. C. The use of herbal supplements. D. The number of candles in the room.